Yo! Oh, wait a second. Where's my camera? Oh boy. All right, should be working now. Keith, what's going on, man? Thanks for joining in. I've actually done a few videos on AMC. I've actually done a few videos on it. But I'm glad I have you on here. We're going to go over some updates on it because it's not looking the greatest right now as far as AMC goes. Evening, Kevin. Yeah, no worries. They're up there. You can catch up. Like I've even traded it. I've traded it both to the long side and short, but I haven't traded in a while. I had it on watch today. I didn't put it on the watch list, but I did go over it live on the mic in the daytraderchatroom.com this morning, and we went over it for the short side trade on it. I missed out on it because I was on Tesla short. We're gonna go over that one as well. I actually posted a full recap earlier today here on YouTube. The first couple minutes, well, no. The first minute and a half or so of the actual charts on the video, for some reason, is really like glitchy. I don't know, something happened with the screen capture. But then after the 4-minute marker or something like that, 4 minutes and 10 seconds, it cleans up and it's clear again. You know what? Let me see something here. All right, guys, so today what we're going to do is we're going to go over some charts. We're going to go over AMC and do a little Q&A. We're going to do a raffle. Somebody's going to win a 30-day. Somebody's going to win a 30-day access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com. And I'm sure you guys are going to love it. We have a few little rules as far as that goes. We want to make sure that the people who win, they sign in to chat. Because if you win and only sign in once a week, then you're not going to get anything out of it, and you're going to take the place of somebody who really wants to learn, right? So we'll do that 30-day pass here later on in the stream. In order to win or have a chance at winning, you got to sign up for the raffle, and we'll do it live here on the stream. Here, I'll post a link. This is where you sign up, guys. So click that link there, go on over and sign up. If you win, you got to sign in to chat at least twice a week. That way you have access to your dashboard and everything. If you don't sign in, if you don't utilize it, then what we do is we eliminate your access to it and then give it to somebody else who really is going to use it. All right, so that's what we typically do with that. But how did everybody do today? How was your day? We did pretty well in the day trader chat room. We were green, traded what was it, VXRT and Tesla. Those were the trades today. NEGG, that thing went absolutely insane. That thing went absolutely insane. We were looking at it for an afternoon trade. I was waiting for a little dip down here, back down here. Never came, man. It never came in the afternoon coming out of lunch. It just went straight up from there, man. It was such a heartbreak, but nice day in chat anyways. Did anybody trade that? Anyone watching the stream? Did any of you guys get a trade on NEGG? So while people start trickling in, do you guys have any questions as well? Let me know. Drop it in there in chat. AMC to 50 tomorrow? Why is that? Why do you think AMC is going to go to 50 tomorrow? Any particular reason, coach? All right. Guess not. All right, guys. So how'd you all do today? What did you trade? I traded Tesla and VX. Was it VXTR? What was it? Let me grab the watch list real quick here. VXRT. Oh, okay. All right, coach. I can respect that. I can respect that. Mac. Oh, on AMC. I mean, look, honestly, yo, Umberto. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. You know, AMC's violated some technical areas. That's what we're gonna go over in a little bit. I gotcha. No worries. Umberto, nah, man, we just started. We started the stream at 6. That's when we do it, 6 p.m. You're not late at all, brother. You're not late at all. Guys, if you want to get access to the raffle, remember you got to sign up. So if you want to win a 30-day, what is this? If you want to win a 30-day access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com, you got to sign up for the raffle. Let me put the link here for you. That's the raffle link right there. You can sign up there. You can win up to a 30-day access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com. All right, and we're gonna do the raffle live here in chat in the stream later on this evening. All right, a little Q&A, guys. You guys have any tickers, any questions? Let's do a little bit of Q&A while we give people some, you know, a chance to trickle on into the chat here. Any charts you want me to go over? Anything like that? SPY is popping and stocks are not. What gives? Yeah, I know. I know. I was noticing that today. It's wild. It's wild to say the least. We're seeing some crazy disconnect there. You know, I mean, look at the SPY. Watch. Yesterday in chat, let me see. Claudio, I think you were there yesterday in chat. Yesterday in chat, you know, I talked about the beginning of a potential pullback in the overall market, and we got that candle yesterday, and then it just got bought right back up all the way. Like, it's crazy. And then today I was like, okay, well, you know, today maybe we get a little bit of a rejection and we can start basically stair-stepping our way back down to some sort of reality, right? Nope, none of that. None of that. We got that one. Look, I mean, here it is. Look at this. This was the huge drop, bang. Then today, was it today? Yeah, right here, boom. We got the next big drop in the morning. Then we get the Fed comes out, right? You get the minutes come out and you get this move higher. It's just wild to me, right? And all they said was, I mean, and look, this is a double top. All they said basically was, okay, we're not going to be changing interest rates. We're not going to be changing interest rates. They're going to stay the same. We are going to start talking about scaling back the repurchasing program, you know, with the mortgage-backed securities and the bonds, etc. They want to start slowly tapering down on that to eventually having none of it. These people are printing over $1 billion a month, right? So, you know, the markets were like, oh, okay, cool beans, no interest rate hikes in the foreseeable future. Bang, we moon. And that's what happened there. Yeah, you know what it is? Also, Claudio, especially on some of these tech names, is that when interest rates will inevitably be lifted and they're going to go higher, probably, I'm thinking personally, realistically, I think sometime middle of next year, we'll see that interest rate hike. So when that happens, you're going to start to see the big pullback in the market. I'd say probably 20% pullback in the market. But what's really going to get hit harder is going to be some of these tech names, you know, not necessarily the Apples of the world or the Facebooks, but maybe some of the other names like Palantir could potentially, even though they're a really good company, they could potentially take a little hit there, you know. So hopefully from here to then they've gone up and, you know, at least gone back to their 40s. But stuff like that. SM Energy Company chart, maybe. SM, you want me to check out SM? Let's take a look here. I mean, the best from just looking here, technical standpoint, I'd say this $20 area is what looks the best for a bounce, because you have the 50-day moving average lining up right there. Zoom in. See that blue line? That's that 50-day moving average. You have this previous pivot low and this top, and you have this little gap. So I mean, that could be a bounce area. That could be potential support on that one. Oh, kind of lost my screen there. Give me a second. Exactly, Claudio. I know. A buddy of mine sent me a message today. He's like, Jesse, did you break the stock market today? And I looked at it. I'm like, dude, I don't know what to tell you. The SPY's at new all-time highs. So, and he's like, but all my stocks are red. I'm like, I know. Tell me about it. You know? Let me see something here. All right, what else? Oh, you got it, Coach. My pleasure. We're going to go over some of the other stuff like AMC later as well. I'll start talking about a little bit about today's trade on Tesla. Jonal, hey, the day trader chat, what is it? The day trader show. That's Jonal, guys. That's the admin at the daytraderchatroom.com. He's my business partner and longtime friend here. You know, I would say he's like my little brother, but I don't want him to get all like, oh, Jesse thinks I'm great. Nah, not so much. Oh man, this is all day in chat, guys. Yeah, we always jokingly say that he has a switch and flips the switch, you know, every which way for the stock market, and just like, you know, probably broke it. He probably broke the switch. Kind of like that. So yeah. Hey, Umberto's there saying, hey, Jonah. Oh yeah, Tesla. So guys, today in chat, let me show you first today's watch list. Here's today's watch list at the daytraderchatroom.com in the dashboard. Like, if you're not a member, this is what it would look like if you were a member. And if you're not, why aren't you? You make sure to check us out for the 5-day trial. That'll, I mean, if you don't win tonight, then at least you got to come check us out for the 5-day trial. Let me get you a Let me get you a link for that. Here's the 5-day trial, guys. Come on over, get access to the dashboard. This is what the watch list looked like today. DT, ST, DARE, VXRT, OPNT, BDR, and Tesla. We traded VXRT and Tesla today. I'm going to show you both of those trades real quick here. Let's go to VXRT because that was a losing trade for me. Part of it anyways. Oh, wow. This thing got absolutely demolished. It got crushed. Are you serious? What? That thing got destroyed. Guys, right here is exactly, look at this. Now, you couldn't get a better example. This right here is why you don't hold bags. This right here is why you don't hold bags. Look at that move on VXRT today, guys. Anyone who caught this short and rode this today made bank. Look at that. This is how bag holders are born. When you don't know how to trade, this is why it's so important. This is why it's so important to get educated. You know, this is why it's so important, guys. There you go. Look, Claudio. See, Claudio says he's a member at the daytraderchatroom.com. The chart breakdown daily is worth the price, let alone the content. I'm telling you guys, if you're not there, you're missing out. Look at VXRT. So today we have VXRT with a nice gap up. It had news. What was the news on VXRT? They had licensing agreement with Altest Bioscience. So, you know, I thought we had room towards $9. You know, we could have had a little room towards $9. VXRD right off the bell pushes straight up. Really nice volume. Look at this. Really nice increase in volume. This first pullback here was a little bit concerning to me because of this candle. But I waited for the bounce confirmation. We got it here. I was looking at this area for a couple of reasons. I'm going to give you a little lesson here on why. Okay. You have first the 23.6 Fibonacci level there. You have VWAP right there. And I want you to take a look at what happens when I put my crosshairs here. You see these crosshairs? I'm going to put them here in this support zone, in this region. Okay, watch. I'm going to put it in this region of support. And watch what happens on the daily down here, bottom right-hand side. Look where we line up. Guys, we drew that line in pre-market together. Guys, you were there. If you were in chat, you were there. You saw me draw it. You know, just confirm it for the guys here watching who aren't in chat. I drew this line in pre-market. We talked about this level together. Okay, so I said, okay, I got the confirmation bounce. All right, we got the decreasing volume on the way down. We got the confirmation bounce and a little increase in volume. So we have VWAP. We have 23.6 Fibonacci level. We have the daily level. Okay, we have 3 levels there all lining up together, and we have the right volume profile, which is increasing volume on the way up, decreasing volume on the way down, decreasing volume on the way down, and then we get the bounce. I got long right in here, and I put out my first take profit on the ask right in here. Okay, let me get you my alerts. I took a screenshot of them today. Tom, I'm from California, but I am in Florida. All right, so here we go. Here are the alerts from today. VXRT 825. I take my first piece of profit out at 837, right in there, in front of this previous high, just in case the high was 839. And then we immediately come right back down here, and I told everybody, all right, I'm gonna sell out. And I sold out at 820. All right, so I lost 5 cents a share on those last shares, but it wasn't a big deal because I booked profit on a good little chunk up here. So it was like a little winning trade. It was a little winning trade. But the reason I sold out was because of that rejection, a double top. And that's why I always do it. I always do it in chat. I always tell my guys, I'm always teaching and, you know, proclaiming, taking off a little piece at least right up there, just in case you double top, because you just never know when you're going to double top and have that happen. Imagine if you were like, nah, this thing's going to go to $9. You know, this thing's going to go to $9 right there on the daily. We have room towards 9. I'm a bank. And you take no profit off, and then you don't even stop out. You got absolutely demolished. You got absolutely demolished there. So that's why it's so important, guys, to take a little piece of profit. That was one of my trades today. Let me delete all these lines here, clean up the chart real quick. So that was my one of my trades today. A little winner, nothing to write home about. And then I traded Tesla. Let me go ahead and clean this up. Tesla, this looked like a big old bear flag today. Look at this. Looking like a big old bear flag. I'll redraw this here for you. We'll see what happens with Tesla tomorrow. But today I traded Tesla, and I'll tell you what, it was a winning trade. But my first trade on it was an error. It was a mistake. I allowed my emotions to kind of get the best of me, and I got in Tesla a little bit early, a little bit too early. I didn't wait for the confirmation. You saw how I waited for the confirmation on VXRT, guys? You saw how I waited for the confirmation on VXRT that we just went over? Well, on Tesla, I'll show you my losing trade here. Long Tesla put option, 650 strike, July 9th expiration date, 847 entry, stop if Tesla gets over 658, sold out of it at 775 a few seconds later. It was right here. It was right here. I got in it right in here and got stopped out instantly, right in the same candle. And got stopped out instantly right in those same in that same candle, because I can't journal, I can't put that up there because then it's going to go away as soon as I click on the TC2000. So I have to put it in, and like I have to put it on there and take it out. Journal is texting me there on the side, guys. Okay, so the reason why I did that, right, was because I was going off of this pivot level right here. Claudio, I took more trades yesterday. Today I took 3 trades. Yesterday I took, I don't even know how many, man. I was on fire yesterday. Watch yesterday's recap if you haven't seen it. I think I covered a few of them there. So you see this little pivot here? You know, I thought that that would kind of be resistance right in here. Right in this candle right here. So I jumped in short. Dude, if I put it there, it's going to disappear. Look. Boom, it's gone. Stop texting me about it. Damn it, Jonah, always. That's the beauty of lives. So that's why I jumped in short there, but I did it via puts, and then I got stopped out. The reality is I didn't wait. I didn't wait like I should have waited. I should have waited for the bounce and the confirmation. Where would have that confirmation been? Right here. Right here, because here we get the test of VWAP in that 659 area. That was just over that 658, and then we get the rejection. I should have, okay, I should have jumped in short here, which is the confirmation of the rejection, with my stop right around there, let's say. That's what I should have done, but I didn't do that. I made a mistake. And this will show you that when, you know, mistakes are going to happen. It happens. It's how you manage risk. I stopped out of it, and then I waited. And I waited and I waited and I waited. You know, like we had this drop here. I didn't chase it. I didn't chase it. I didn't chase it. I told everybody in chat, guys, I'm going to wait for the right opportunity to get short Tesla. And then I said, I'm going to probably short the stock itself because I don't like how the puts were trading. I didn't like how they were trading. So that's exactly what I did. That's exactly what I did. And I did that right in here. So you see right here, this previous little pivot low, we broke underneath that level, and that level lined up with that 9 AMA at the time. And it was also lining up with the 23.6 Fibonacci level. I'm going to erase the line. There's the Fibonacci level. Cherry, what's up? Dante, thank you. Let's kill it, guys. So right there, we had the 9 AMA. We had that pivot low from yesterday, okay, and the 23.6 Fibonacci level. So I got back on the mic. I said, guys, I'm going to look to short a little bounce here, but I'm going to build the position. I'm not just going to grab the whole position all at once. I'm looking to build a position in front of 652 with my stop just over it. If we got a high volume breakthrough there and we go to like 652, 652.50, 653, 653.50, I'm gonna cut it loose, right? So I take a very small starter in here, right in there. I took an ad in here, okay? And then I got my final fill on this candle. That's where I built my position. Yeah, guys, we're gonna be doing a raffle. Okay, we're gonna be doing a raffle. You can win a 30-day free access pass to the daytraderchatroom.com. Links right in there. It's pinned to the top and it's right in there. The Day Trader Show just put it up again. Sign up for the raffle. You just got to click that link, and I think you got like 3 boxes you got to fill out with like your name and your email address, and that's it. You're signed up for today's raffle. So right in there was my short entry on Tesla. I shorted the stock itself. So you'll see here, short Tesla starter 650.04, stop 652 area. And then here are my take profits. 648.90, 649, 647, 647, 77, 646, and then 644.60 from actually right in here above 651, because that was my final piece, my final ad as well. One of my final ads. So that was an awesome trade. These are the alerts, guys. This is exactly how you see the alerts coming across the screen at the daytraderchatroom.com. And you can see like my initial entry here at 611, my final cover at 1011, my final cover at 1027. So it was a trade that took a few minutes to fully develop. Okay, it was a trade that took a few minutes to develop. And you see right here, you know, we start to get the crack. I take a little piece of profit off in here as we're about to make new lows, and then, you know, I took profits all throughout that move right there, and that's it. I was flat, if I'm not mistaken, in this little green candle. Yeah, we went further low, we went further down, okay, but my job's not to come in here and capture the entire move. If my job would have been to have caught the entire move, then I would have looked to try to like just gotten short again up here and then cover down here. But you know, what if it doesn't work out that way? You know, what if it doesn't do that? What, I'm not going to book profits as I go along the way. I have to book some profits along the way. Like, you know, like you're right. If I'm wrong, I stop out of my position, I lose money. If I'm right, I got to pay myself along the way, right? So I was flat right in there in that little blue arrow. And sure, the stock went, you know, lower a little bit more. Like, let me see here, from 640, my best fill was 644.60s, and we got all the way down here towards 639, 638 and change. I left a few points on the table, but I'm not mad about that. Nice little green day, you know, nice little green day. But it took patience. It took a while to, you know, finally get the opportunity to jump in that trade. Thank you, Dante. I really enjoyed that short. I really like trading Tesla a lot. I really do like trading Tesla a lot when it's in play. And I had told the gang, I'm watching it. I'm watching it for either a break of that area for a breakdown or a break above this area for a breakout. Jerry, I don't know if Jerry's still in here from daytraderchatroom.com yesterday. You know, he's one of our members. He called out yesterday Tesla for this gap fill. I missed it, but that was a banger. That would have been great. That would have been a great entry there for even a potential swing trade, to be honest. So that was my best trade. That was my best trade today. Thank you, Umberto. So let's see. We covered the VXRT on the win there, a little win. Then we covered my Tesla, you know, red trade early on in the morning. It was an error. And then we covered the winning trade here on Tesla. And that goes to show you risk management, guys. The VXRT trade, little green, it was like nothing. Brought me back almost to break even from the Tesla loss. Big deal. This Tesla win right here erased the rest of the red that I had and put me well into the green on the day. So that kind of concludes the recap of my day, of my trading day. Like, what did you guys trade today? Or like, let's use this time here for a little Q&A session. Ask away any questions, any charts. After that, we'll jump into the AMC chart. Let me grab a little drink of water. Oh, you know what? Let me show you how chat did. Every day we run these polls Here's how chat did today. 55% of traders were green today, 11% were red, and 33% didn't trade. That shows tremendous discipline by the didn't trade crowd. And if the red crowd was red within their risk tolerance, good job staying disciplined because you managed your risk. And then the green, if you traded properly, congrats as well. That was today's performance. I think I got a screenshot of yesterday's. Yes, I do. Guys, yesterday I was extremely active. And oh my God, we nailed it. Look at yesterday. Chat voted, and we had also free chat Monday yesterday. If you want to sign up for free chat Mondays, let me give you the link to that. You don't get access to dashboard or none of that, none of the goodies, but you get access to the free chat. And this is how everyone did yesterday in chat when we voted. The streaming platform that we use for the daytraderchatroom.com, we use Webull. So 100% of traders were actually green yesterday. Crazy. Like I was amazed. I was amazed. You know, the green team. Yes, the green team. The shirt. There it is. Green team. The gang wanted us to have a shirt like that, so Jonal went out and got him done. That's how it is. So that's how chat did today and yesterday, guys. We vote every single morning after the morning session. We vote, you know, and do a little poll, and we vote to see how everyone did. And anybody that's red, I always ask them, you know, let me know if I can help you. Just send me a DM in chat, or just post it up in chat. Maybe we can use it for lessons. Then after that, we do a recap in the morning, and then we do a live lesson as well. Yeah, Jonal is the guy. Jonal's the man. You know, chat asks for something, and Jonal makes it happen. Sometimes they ask for things as a joke and he makes it happen. I think kind of like the shirt. Everybody was, I think they were serious. Who was it that started this whole shirt thing? Was it Claudio? I can't remember. I can't remember who started it, to be honest. All right, guys. Any questions before we move on here to AMC? You don't remember either? That's all right. It doesn't matter because you did it. So any questions that you might have, it doesn't matter. A ticker, a chart you want me to go over, anything like that, now's definitely the time to go over those. We're not going to be live again until, let me look at the calendar. We do these lives every first and last Wednesday of the month. So that means we're not going to have another live until the 28th of July. I did not. Yeah, Claudio, it was you, right? I did not catch any GG. I didn't catch any GG because, let's go over that. It's perfect. I'm glad you brought that up. So any GG, here's your morning on any GG. I mean, the only area that I could have possibly been interested in any GG would have been here on this first pullback, which I don't even consider it a pullback. It's more like a little flag. And I didn't. I would have preferred, I think I was already in Tesla, if I'm not mistaken. Or I was trading VXRT, one or the other. Either way, we reviewed this in chat, and I told everybody, look, I'm not going to be mad at myself for missing out on this, because the reality is I would have missed it, because I would have been looking to try to get it down here. And it never got down there. I would have been looking to try to get that 35, 34 or something. I would have been looking to try to get it in here, and it never pulled in deep enough. It never pulled in deep enough, so no dice, no shot for me. Then in the afternoon, we were watching it. In the afternoon, we were watching it for an afternoon squeeze. And right here, I told everyone in chat, I was like, guys, I'm looking at it for a VWAP bounce. Because look at this VWAP support, right? Just above it. So right in here, I was wondering if we were going to get down here, maybe 53, 50, like in here. Test that VWAP truly one more time before launching. Nope. It just went. It just went. So nothing there, but this one has to be kept on watch tomorrow. Has to be kept on watch tomorrow. Look where we found support again, guys. In front of VWAP. Look at this. Like, this is clear as day. So this one has to be kept on watch tomorrow. EXPI. Oh no, this would be more than second day continuation. Look at the daily chart. This thing has been on a huge uptrend move, but this volume today is pretty astronomical. You know, so definitely looking to see if tomorrow we're gonna get a retest of those 80s. What was it again? EXPI. And guys, remember to sign up to the raffle. Win a free month of chat access. Make sure to sign up for the raffle. We're going to run this raffle tonight. Yeah, Dante, that one's been going for days. Umberto, what's up here? EXPI for a short? I mean, there was a little setup here potentially. You had a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern, but it wasn't now. You have a little bit of a left shoulder, a head, a right shoulder, and then you had that. I mean, it's not the cleanest thing in the world. Trying to make this circle bigger. All right, let's do it again. A little bit of a right shoulder in there, and then you had that breakdown. Now, let me clean this up. Man, my eyes are dry. Focusing on so many charts every day. So look, let's look at this area here, right? This 4250 area. Gap entry. Past support. Past support. Resistance. We're right in the face of that area. We've rejected it. However, we're holding that 200-day moving average right now. I don't know, man. I don't like it. Yeah. Can it go lower? Absolutely. It can go down there and test the 50-day moving average. I mean, and 4250 is a stop. That's all I can say. Maybe if it gets down here, then yeah, it was worth the trade. So 4250 would be my stop, that area. Yeah, I mean, but that's the thing, right? That my stop would have to be that 4250. It'd have to be that 4250, because if we break underneath the 200-day moving average, we might just reclaim it and then fail again. So I'd have to hold my stop if I were in that thing in that 4250 area. $40 at the 4250. But I don't really like it. It has potential. Like I would have preferred to have gotten it at $40. You know, if I was going to short it, boom, $40, first cover in front of the 200-day moving average, and then look for further downside. That's what I would have preferred. But you know, I'm picky. I'm super picky. All right, guys, got any other charts you want me to go over? Any other charts before we jump on over to AMC? What do we got cooking here? Let me see something. We got 20 people watching and 10 likes. Come on, guys. You can do better than that. 21 people watching and 10 likes. Oh my God. Somebody literally did a thumbs down. What a... Are you kidding me? On here going over charts, doing a 30-day giveaway, and somebody literally gave a thumbs down. Oh. Let me get you guys. Oh, CCO, I'll be happy to go over that one. I'm actually in that one long term. Guys, sign up for that raffle. Yeah, you gotta love it, man. Unbelievable. CCL. Oh, golly, man. What happened here? You could tell that it's a long term for me. Oh, yeah, Umberto, that's true. You can tell this is a long term hold for me because I had no idea it came down so much. But I have CCL in the retirement account from, I don't know, somewhere in here. Somewhere in there, I think. $15, something like that, $14. I don't know. I'd have to go check. But it's somewhere from the crash, from last year's crash. And I haven't taken any profits up here at 30 because honestly speaking, I'm trying to get it back up here towards 40. That's where I'm going to actually take profit, roll it over into a mutual fund that I've invested in, and Palantir. But as far as CCL, for a trade, who was it that asked? Claudio, are you looking for like an analysis, a technical analysis of the daily chart, Claudio? Nice, 18 likes. Now we're cooking. Thanks a lot, guys. We drowned out the hater. Whoever the hater was, we drowned them out. CCL, dude, like I would look for the 200-day moving average to be support for a potential bounce. I think it could bounce there. You know, got a little structure in that area. I'll have to draw a line right there in front of it. Check it out. You got previous support, previous support, previous support, previous resistance, and the 200-day moving average now lining up there. Let's check if we got any fib levels cooking in there. Yeah, you got a little 38.2 Fibonacci level acting up in there. So yeah, I like it. I like that level. Hold on. I got a funny one here. Watch this. Give me a second. I promise it's going to be worth it. I promise it's going to be worth it, guys. Just give me 1 second. Jonah, I don't know what you got to do to make this easier to be done, but I don't know, man. We're going to need something because here you go. There it is. There it is, Claudio. There is my answer as a long term. Not because the company is this amazing thing or anything, but I just think that there's good potential to get that thing back up to 40. Oh yeah, maybe you're right about the Florida thing. They could be jealous. So that GIF or GIF, however you say it, is just for you, Claudio. That's where we're sitting today. Yeah. You know, if it can hold that level, then I think it has potential. And honestly, I would prefer, I'm not going to buy, I don't think I'm going to add any more to it because I've pretty much almost maxed out the Roth IRAs. Claudio, I've pretty much maxed out the Roth IRAs, so I'm not going to buy any more CCL because I've maxed it out between the mutual fund and Palantir this year. Yeah, I think so too, Jonah. I'll make it happen. But yeah, I mean, I would like to see it just base out. I'd like to see it base out in that $23, $24 area, and maybe later on this year or next year, just make that push towards $40. I'm gonna book my profit and move those profits along on over to that Vanguard fund that I invested in my Roth, and probably Palantir, but I am a Palantir fanboy. Yep, my pleasure, man. My pleasure. 6:44 p.m. guys. What time flies? Any other tickers you guys want me to go over? We've already gone over today's recap on my trades. Now we're just doing a little Q&A. Tickers, risk management questions, any questions regarding trading, long-term investing. Oh, you know what, guys? I'm going to probably do a video on something like this. Actually, recently, a friend of mine, he was in debt with his car, $13,500 in debt. And with the prices of used cars being as crazy as they are, my dude actually grabbed his car, went to some place kind of like Carvana or like CarMax type, and he sold them the car for $13,000. That month he made his last payment, and that's it. He broke even on the car. Turned around, bought himself, you know, like a regular transportation type car, point A to point B, little Nissan, cash, $4,000, bang. And now the dude has no more car payment and he's getting himself out of debt. If you're in car debt and you're trying to get out of car debt, right? Now is the time to take those cars that you might be upside down in to like these places, or even try to sell them on the used market and get rid of them. Now's the time for that, because the prices on used cars is ridiculous. I was kind of getting the little bug. I have a diesel truck. It's older, it's 2005, but it's really nice. Like, I've posted pictures on Instagram and stuff. I had it painted a few years ago. Big tires on it, nice fender flares, like toy mirrors. Like, I have it really nice exterior wise. And I was like, man, I want another truck. I want a better truck. I was like, maybe I can sell this one, throw another 10K on top of it, and go buy myself something. I ain't buying jack crap. Like, even if I had like 25,000 bucks, I'm gonna buy a truck that's gonna be literally like 3 years older. 3 years newer than my current truck. Not happening. It's not worth it. But if you are upside down or in debt on a car, you could probably get rid of it right now with these current prices. It's crazy. It's crazy what places are like CarMax are paying for cars. It's insane. Any other tickers, guys? Any other tickers? Any other questions? If not, we're going to be jumping in here pretty soon to AMC. There we go, and go over AMC, which was something we went over today in pre-market. So, any other questions before we make a move here? Remember to sign up for the raffle, guys. Sign up for the raffle, link in there in the chat section. Sign up for the raffle, win 30 days for free to the daytraderchatroom.com. All right. Also, guys, if you're looking to just sign up flat out, here is a coupon code for the annual plan. Bang. If no one has any other questions, we're going to go ahead and start moving into AMC here in a minute. All right, guys, let's jump on over to AMC. AMC, guys. Look how good AMC was looking throughout all of that. Look how good AMC was looking throughout all of that, guys. It's such a shame to see what happened today to AMC. It really started, I think, yesterday, the day before. You know, look at this. Every single bounce attempt back in here was really good. It was strong. They had increasing volume, and every single pullback like this one in here, you know, every single one had decreasing volume. Exactly what you want to see on a setup. Exactly what you want to see on a setup. And every single time it tested that 52 level, it bounced back up. But then something happened somewhere in here where we had a bounce, and look how weak this volume got. Look how weak that volume got, guys. I mean, I had no position in AMC, and I'm actually sad to see it start to dwindle, but I think it's done for a little while because we have officially cracked that $52 level entirely. Like this day here, when it cracked it and bought right back up, and the next day we had this nice little, you know, gap up over 52. I was like, oh, this might get juicy again. Nope. It sold off yesterday, and then today I was watching it for a short, but I got caught up in the Tesla and the VXTR trade, so I completely actually forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. But, you know, no nonsense talk. I think at this point, AMC has to come back down here. Either this 50-day moving average that sits around that $35 level, or this previous support here that sits right at that $36 and change level, which coincides this previous top, this bottom, and the bottom next to it. You got two bottoms right there. So I think it has to come back down there, to be honest with you. I don't think that tomorrow, for example, we're going to see AMC, whoops. I don't think like tomorrow, for example, we're going to come in here and we're going to see AMC get itself back up here. I don't think that's going to happen. I think at this point, if AMC is going to do anything else ever again, as far as making a move towards those highs, you know, 72 bucks, you got to get AMC back down here. Possibly even down here to that 50-day moving average. Before, you know, hopefully getting a little bounce. That's the ideal scenario here. Why? Well, it's going to shake out a lot of weaker hands, and it's going to maybe bring in some traders that, you know, they're like, hey, you know what? I'm comfortable buying it in these 30s. Because, look, honestly speaking, let's be real here. AMC is not a $50 stock. AMC is not a $70 stock. I don't even think AMC is a $30-something stock. But if we're talking about what we're talking about here, getting these moves, getting these, you know, these short squeezes, then yeah, it's purely, I trade purely the technicals. And I think realistically speaking, that 50-day moving average, that's right here, okay, that lines up right in here as well. I think that's a potential bounce area. I think we could see something like this happen, you know, and maybe then it makes a little trek back towards 50. You know, maybe then we can see a little bounce back towards 50. But like I said, I don't really think tomorrow we wake up and by 10:45 AMC is trading over 50. I don't think it's going to happen. I could be horribly wrong. Anybody can. But looking at this from a technical standpoint, I think we at least have to come back down there towards these previous bottoms. You know, 38, 37, 36, between 36 to, let's say, 40 bucks. I think we have to test that 4-point range there between 36 to 40 bucks. It has to get tested thoroughly. That's my opinion. You know, and then maybe, depending on the volume, on what kind of volume you get down there, you might get a bounce. But I think I'm bearish AMC now, temporarily at least, to get back down there towards that $36 level. You know, but that's my opinion. That's my opinion. And it's not an emotional opinion. It's a non-nonsense opinion. It's an opinion based on the technicals. And no one can step in here and tell me, oh, Jesse, these meme stocks, they don't trade based on technicals. That is bullcrap, because look, these are technicals. These are technicals. Look at that support that we had at 52. That's technicals. You know, that's technicals. You had that support there at 52 forever. We broke underneath it. What happened when we broke underneath it? We took a little bit of a dump. And if you're an active trader, you could have shorted it today. I mean, look, all you got to do, I was over short on Tesla, but all you got to do is come in here. I'm going to tell you right now, you have the gap down on AMC. It's weak. It's broken underneath that support zone. This very first bounce right here into VWAP and that 9 EMA was absolutely shortable. Absolutely. Via puts or shorts if you have them available to you. And then you could have just, this 9 EMA triggered to the downside. What? This was money for take profit zones. Okay, these are all take profit zones right in here. Knowing me, I would have stopped out of the rest of it in here somewhere, but I would have made money on most of this move. You know, I would have made money on that, most of that move, but I'm an active trader. I have long-term investments. I believe everybody should have long-term investments, but I'm also an active trader, and I would have actively traded that way. Why didn't I? Well, I know some new people are in chat today, in the stream right now. Well, I didn't trade it because I was over here short Tesla. That's why I didn't trade it. I was over here short Tesla, taking advantage, you know, of this nice move downward. If not, I would have definitely been all over AMC. And I'm not a perma bear. I'm not. I am an opportunist. I'm a trader. I look for opportunity in the market via shorts or longs, and I take my trades with my clear defined stop losses. You know, simple as that. So let's see, we're at 6:55 p.m. guys. If you have any questions about AMC, Tesla, or any other stock, now's the time before we jump into going into the raffle. We'll run the raffle and then we will begin to call it a day. So let me get the link real quick here for you on the raffle so you can sign up. Remember, the winner of the raffle will win 30 days in chat. Okay, you're going to win 30 days in chat and access to the dashboard, video lesson library, etc. You book those profits and don't let them. Yeah, man, you got to book the profits when they're there. You got predetermined levels you want to book profit at, you got to book them. There's nothing worse, in my opinion, than being in a trade, having it go towards your profit target areas, not take profits, and then have the trade go red on you. What? That is the worst. That is the worst. Absolutely the worst. Guys, if you're new to trading, there's a free course there for you. I just dropped it in chat as well. I'm gonna let Jonal start getting ready to start getting ready with the names so I can run the wheel of names or whatever it's called so we can pick our winner of the next, 30 days free of chat. So give me a second here. Guys, I see some new people trickled in here into the stream. We are running a raffle, 30 days, guys, for free. Sign up there, take advantage. If you win, you must sign into chat at least twice a week so that we know that you're utilizing the resources. Because let me show you real quick what you're going to have access to. You're going to have access to this dashboard. This dashboard includes the resources section. The resources section, has things like this that you see. I'm just scrolling right through it real quick for you. All right. Chart indicators, how to use them, what they mean. All right. You're going to have terms, abbreviation, trading equipment, additional info. You're going to have access to the video lesson library that has over 200 videos, guys. You got the tabs here, and then you have some of our most recent and favorites. You got trading psychology, technical analysis, day trading recaps, fundamental lessons. You got over 200 videos here alone. All right. You're going to have access, obviously, to the live trading, live lessons, and recaps every single morning. Our watch list, our screeners. All right. As far as the courses go, I think you only get access to the Day Trading 101. But when you are a full yearly member, you have access to all our courses, always, no upsells, all right? You're gonna have access to advanced day trading, options trading, short selling comes out later this summer into the fall, swing trading's already out, futures trading comes out next year. So you're gonna have access to all that when you're a yearly member. Yes, good one there, Umberto. Umberto is reminding me, the swing trading idea section. Umberto's one of our members. He's one of the members that contributes the most to the swing trading area. You see here in the dashboard, you'll have your daily watch list. Here you have the swing trading course right there. You have a live news feed, okay? Chat room accuracy since launch. How can I forget this? Look at this, guys. This is what we do when we run our polls, like this one I just showed you from today. Here, I'll get you the screenshot real quick again. We run these polls every single day after trading. All right, this is what the room looks like as a whole, members and mods included, okay? And then you have the swing trading section right here. For swing trade ideas, click here. Couldn't be any more. That's kind of like it is your birthday. Oh, Jonah. So you come in here, you can submit swing trade ideas if you like, or go over the community swing trade ideas. They're all right here. Umberto is one of our contributors to this, the main contributor. He puts up tons of swing trade ideas for you guys. He basically runs it. Yeah, exactly. So you're going to get access to all that and more as a member and as a winner of the 30 days. My BMAT9, Jesse, what's your target for PLTR? PLTR is a long-term investment for me. So my target is PLTR becoming a $1 trillion company. But I'm holding that, I don't care, 10, 20 years, whatever it takes, because I fully believe in the company. I think that you have, founders there that, innovators. These people are geniuses. I'm just super bullish Palantir long term, so I'll buy dips. I'm never gonna let it be to the point where I'm too heavy Palantir in my long term stuff, but I wouldn't mind it being a good chunk of my long term. I wouldn't mind it. It's not to say that I'm gonna add a crap load of it every single year, because I won't. I'm gonna reach eventually a top, and I'm gonna hold it there. Yeah, Umberto, bro, you're killing it, dude. Just keep up the good work, man. You're killing it. Joel's going to be sending me here in a few minutes, guys, the names for the free raffle. So if you haven't signed up, guys, do it right now. Hurry up and sign up for the free raffle. You'll win 30 days. The winner's going to get 30 days access to chat and the dashboard, etc. And I know Joel's going to be sending me the names probably in a few seconds or a few minutes, a couple minutes at least. Yeah, no problem, man. My pleasure, bud. My pleasure. Like, I invest, when it comes to my long-term investing, my pleasure, Umberto. When it comes to my long-term investing, what I do is I primarily put the bulk of it in a Vanguard mutual fund with a target retirement date. And then I allow myself some extra capital for some more speculative stuff, which I still put the most in, companies that I like Boeing, Disney. I put a little CCL in. But I put the bulk in the Vanguard mutual fund because it's a Roth IRA. So I'm trying to be as conservative as possible. However, I am allowing myself probably, for the foreseeable future, a couple of years or so, to put a portion of the max I can contribute in the max of the Roth IRA into companies like Palantir. And my wife has the same Roth, and she's also into Palantir. So that's what we do, I think it's a no-brainer at this point, at these levels anyways. If Palantir goes down to like $10, believe me, I'm going to load up on it, and then I'm just simply going to be like, okay, I'm done. I'm not buying any more Palantir. I'll see you when you get to $1 trillion company, if you get there. I think they can. I kind of see it like Tesla, only probably better, to be honest with you. So we'll see what happens there. All right, Jonah, I think everybody's ready to rock, man. Send me over those, I'm tired. Send me over those names, man, and I'll start putting them into the, thing. Sent. I see you sent it. Let me send it myself to the other email so I can actually use it on the computer I'm streaming on. All right, guys, give me a second here. I'm going to start getting ready so we can run the raffle. Guys, remember, if you want to save $50 on the yearly plan, here you go. That's the yearly plan right there. Go check it out. Guys, you got to also remember that with the yearly plan, you're going to get access to the scanners and the charts. That in itself is worth a lot of money every single year. So don't forget that. And we have 2 scanners we run. So there's that. Jerry. Oh my God, Jonah, look at what Jerry wrote in chat. This guy. Roger that, Jonah. Oh my God, Jerry. Guys, we have so much fun in chat. It's ridiculous. Even on slow days, it's insane. Oh man. All right, guys. Oh, guys, remember also with the yearly plan, you get a one-on-one mentorship session with me. So if you're a yearly member, you just come on in here and you set it up. Okay? So when you become a yearly member, you get access to that as well. You're gonna get a free one-on-one with me. All right, let's get ready to run these names, guys. Here are the old names from last stream. Let's go ahead and let's see who's gonna be the lucky winner. You guys ready? 1, 2, and 3. Brandy, what is this? Brandy Bolt? Brandy Bolt? Brandy Bolt. Step on down and claim your prize. Oh, hold on. Joel's sending me a message here. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. All right, we're going to remove Brandy Bolt. Brandy Bolt, if you're here, go ahead and claim your prize. We're just going to remove it because Jonah wants me to run it again. This guy's always giving away stuff, man, I swear. Let's run it again, guys. I don't know how many times he's going to make me run this thing today. Awesome. BMAT9. BMAT9, come on down and collect your prize. Guys, if you won and you're still in chat here like Brandy Bolt, go to the daytraderchatroom.com. Okay, look, we're going to go. This is how you're going to get in touch with Jonah. You're going to go here at daytraderchatroom.com. Jonah, I'll post the hyperlink there in chat. And you see this bottom little thing here that says chat with us? You're going to click that. BMAT, do the same. You come here and you click that and you will see Jonah here. Okay? And then you just tell Jonah, hey, Jonah, I won. And Jonah will reply back to you like that. There you go. And you guys will set it up there so that he can give you access to your 30-day dashboard. All right, you're going to get access to everything for 30 days there that we have in the dashboard for that 30-day program. Remember, you must sign on to chat at least twice a week to keep your membership active for those 30 days, at least twice a week. If you really want to get in there every single day with us and come kill it because, guys, we've just been killing it. It's sick. Guys, if you did not win and you want to check us out, 5-day trial. If you're like, I don't know, I want to check it out real quick. 5-day trial. Here you go. Link in chat. 5-day trial. All right. There's your 5-day trial right there. Come on in and join us for 5 days. You're going to get access to a dashboard as well and the video lesson library, okay? Plus, obviously, the live trading, live recaps, live lessons every single morning, the watch list, the whole 9 yards. So make sure you take advantage of that 5-day trial. Right? Look, check it out. Let me show you something real quick here. Come on over here real quick. If you just want to flat out sign up today, you got monthly plan, 99 bucks. All right. You're going to get access to, you see here, trading chat room, beginner trading course, intermediate trading course, video lesson library, educational alerts, stream stock scanners and charts, daily watch list, day trading resources. We already went over all these things in the dashboard, the day trading tools, and you'll be in live and chat with us every single day. However, if you sign up for the annual plan, which you have a $50 coupon code that we have cooking this month here for you. Let me put it in chat again for you right there. Bang. You're going to get access to all of that, plus every single course, okay, that we have out now, every single course that we come out with in the future, all right, which is later on the summer, the shorting course, late summer into fall, the shorting course, and next year, the futures course. Every single course we come out beyond then, you're going to have access to, and best of all, your price is locked in. So let's say right now it's $849 minus $50. You're going to pay, you know, $7.99. Bang. That's what you're going to pay. And that's going to be your price locked in. Next year, it doesn't matter if we are at $950 for a membership. You're still going to be at $7.99. All right. You're also going to get everything else you see here, plus a free one-on-one session with me. Okay. So make sure you take advantage of that. Links in the chat section there for you. There is a biannual as well. You get a little bit similar action to this, but you don't get all the courses. The deal, the best deal is obviously the regular yearly membership, guys. All right. So we got our 2 winners for the 30-day trial. We have the 5 days trial in the chat section there. We've gone over AMC. We've gone over today's trades. We've gone over the dashboard. We've gone over, guys, the kind of numbers our members are putting up with accuracy. There we are. We vote every single day after trading. I don't think there's anything left to say, guys. I've answered all your questions as well. It is 7:10 p.m. and I am hungry for dinner. So unless you guys got another question for me, I'm about to go eat some dinner. Let me know. What do you got? Any questions in chat there, or are we all done for the evening? Let me see here. Jerry says, sometimes I feel bad on how much money I make off of you guys and only pay you memberships. But then I remember Jesse's rich anyways and I feel better. Oh my God, bro. It's Jerry. Bro, Jerry. Guys, these are the members that we have in chat, bro. These guys are awesome. The guys and gals, they're great. And freaking Jerry's amazing. Jerry, it doesn't matter the day, if I'm red, if I'm green, if I overslept and I'm cranky, it doesn't matter. Jerry always figures out a way to like make me crack up. That was amazing. I gotta read it again. Jerry G, sometimes I feel bad on how much money I make off of you guys and only pay you membership, but then I remember Jesse's rich anyways and I feel better. I don't know what to say. This guy is just hilarious. You know, I thought I had a smart mouth, but Jerry takes the cake. Guys, if you like The Office, it's continuous Office references all morning long. Incredible. Jerry, you, my friend, have won the internet for the day. No, for the week, you've won the internet. Because there's nothing that can top that. Let me see here. Here we go. Here we go, Jerry. Just for you. Look at that. Standing an ovation and everything, my friend. You just won the internet. You just won the internet, man. Oh, Jonal's giving away a free green team t-shirt. William, not on AMC. Nope, it was not. Jerry just won a green team t-shirt, guys. What? Guys, if you didn't win in the raffle and you want to sign up for a 5-day trial, look, you know what it's going to cost you? $5. Skip Starbucks for the day. Or skip Starbucks for 10 minutes because Starbucks is stupid expensive. And Jerry won a green team t-shirt because of that comment. I mean, he made Jonal so proud. Jerry, go into the daytraderchatroom.com, you know, go to the daytraderchatroom.com. Go down here to the little chat with us section, get with John, I'll give him your address and shirt size. He's going to send you a t-shirt. That's it. It's that simple. It's funny. It's funny the second time. It's as funny the second time. Dude, that comment, I'm going to take a screenshot of that comment because that was awesome. Hold on. That was amazing. I'm going to tweet that one out right now. Wait, let me go to Twitter. Jerry with the savage comment of the night. Thank you for the laughs, the live stream. Man, Jerry. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to put up a couple links here for you real quick, guys. If you're new to trading, all right, or if you want to just sign in for free chat Mondays, there you go. You got a couple links there. Oh, did it show that, Jerry? That's awesome. That's great. If you guys want a $50 coupon for the yearly, there you go. And if you're just looking for scanners and you want to buy your own, bang, scanners I use every single day. All right, guys, I'm going to start calling it a night here. It's been a long day. I've just been sitting at this desk all day since this morning's trading. So it's time to call it a night. It is 7:15 p.m. I will see you all tomorrow bright and early at the daytraderchatroom.com. Once again, guys, if you are not a part of the group, there is the 5-day trial available there in the chat section, and I'll leave it in the comment section for you if you're watching this after the fact. 5-day trial. Come join us and learn to trade with one of the best teams you're ever going to find on the internet. BMatt9, can't thank you enough for the free access. I'll be there tomorrow. Can't wait to trade with you, brother. Can't wait to trade with you. See you tomorrow. Guys, have yourself a great evening, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Let's stay green. Visit the daytraderchatroom.com, and I'll catch you guys